Okay, so good morning. So I'm Michael P. Vergara, so one of the area managers of Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative. So I am assigned as the area manager of Bohol Island, so with 7 branches under my supervision.
Good morning, sir. I am Rhea Caballero, and these are my team. So for today's video, we will be asking 10 questions about your vision, mission, core values, the history, the management, and your outreach programs. Before anything else, I would like to ask you, sir, is it to your preference, sir, the topic that we will discuss? Thank you. So can we proceed to our next question, sir? A lot of people are wondering what is LAMAC and what does LAMAC Multipurpose Cooperative stands for?
Okay. So actually Lamak MPC, so we started in year 1973. So we are celebrating last year for 50 years in service to the members of Lamak. So actually Lamak in 1973 it is only organized by 70 farmers. So muna siya pag-start na to sa kooperatiba 1973. So sa 70 sa ka mga farmers, so they are kining initial capital build up nila as sabi meron lang puhunan sa kooperatiba with 50 pesos each. So first na mobilize nga capital build up is almost 3,500. So those 3,500 pesos, so demobilize it by in a business. So first business nga ilang gibuhat is actually marketing services. So bali nagbaligya mi og mga fertilizer in 1973. So with this 70 farmer members, so they are voluntarily nga nagkuha na sila service sa ilahang organisasyon. So actually in 1973 wala pa gini siya mahimong Lamak MPC. It is called as Samaang Nayon. So my first nga organization, Samaang Nayon 1 during Marcos time in 1973. So from 1973 to 1992, Lamak Samaang Nayon becomes a Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative 1982. So it is a fully kuha na siya na registered na siya sa Cooperative Development Authority in 1992. So in 1992 until now, so Lamak MPC we have 61 branches. So naanami sa from Negros Island, sa Mindanao, Leyte, and of course Bohol and sa mainland. So mga 16 branches na. So one of our missions sa Lamak MPC is to strongly respond to the holistic empowerment needs of the vulnerable sectors. So bali concentrate po kami sa mga vulnerable sectors. So alam na natin kung ano yung mga vulnerable sectors. So it includes farmers, mga fisher folks, so PWDs. So muna isa sa mga mission namin na gusto naming tulungan. So na-concentrate na until now, so muna siya mga flagship yun na mga to respond sa to ang mga vulnerable sectors. So that is our mission. So our vision is a diversely differentiated cooperative sustaining a socially vigorous community of environmentally and gender sensitive families. So meaning, so para ma-adhere natin yung mga kinakailangan po ng ating mga member farmers or vulnerable sectors, so diversely na yung Lamak. So parang name it and I will give it. So kung anong kinakailangan po ng ating mga ng mga members. So example, gusto nilang mag-business, example sa mga agro-enterprise development. So meron tayong mga tinatawag na agro-enterprise development program. So kahit anong gusto nila pang farming, so may bigay natin sa kanila. So may mga services tayo dyan. So when it comes to business, small medium business, example may tindahan ka, so meron din tayong sa kanila. So example resort, so gusto nilang maligo, so meron tayong resort. So that's why we are called as diversely na. So kahit anong kailangan nila, so may bibigay ng Lamak MPC. So that is one of our vision. So of course, we have also the core values. So, ang core values namin is love. So, alam naman natin yung love na February 14. Yung araw yun ng mga love. So, love, core values. So, loyalty, oneness, valor, and empathy. So, yun pong core values namin. So, galing po sa puso. Yan. So, we love our farmers, our members. So, that's why it comes up with core values of love.
Morning, sir. My name is Rachel Joy Dihas. And for the next question, how long has Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative been in operation and what have been its major achievements or milestones so far?
Okay, so Lamak APC, so we are operating for almost, as I have said a while ago, so we are operating for almost 51 years na. So in service to the member. Okay, so when it comes to achievements, so a lot of achievements from cooperative starting from 1973 until now. So from the previous year, so binibigyan po kami ng award ng Land Bank of the Philippines. So bali as parang isa sa pinakamahusay na kooperatiba sa bansa. Yeah, so na-acquire namin yung Gawad Pitak. So sa sa basketball pa Grand Slam na 3 beses. So last year, so hindi na po kami appeal sa English ko, join sa mga recognition ng Land Bank. So binibigay po namin yun sa iba. So also as part of our achievement, so we give a wholesome services to the to the members of Lamak APC.
So another question, sir. So what service or product does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative offer to its members? How does it benefit the community?
Okay, so actually in Lamak APC, so we have a lot of services to be offered from the to the members. So of course we have the savings, we have also the lending. So from savings, so we have the so-called as the regular savings and time deposit. So that is one of the services that we can offer to our members. So we have also lending. So lending meaning we finance our members so through their business. Then aside from that, also we have also the so-called as the services, other services offered. Also we have also the Agro Enterprise Development Program. So bali our members sa kooperatiba, so bali we have now almost mga 150,000 members. So 60% of the members of Lamak APC is farmers. So that's why we also offer the services which is suited for the farmers. So we have the Agro Enterprise Development Program. So dyan sa programa namin, so pwede ka makapili dyan kung anong gusto mo. If you love farming, so nandyan na lahat yung mga services. So,
good morning, sir. I am Josephine Alvora. So for the next question, how does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative support the economic empowerment and development of its members?
okay. So when it comes to support, so whatever support nga needs sa atong mga farmers, so we give it. So as I said, we are diversely. So ever the farmers or the members na need sila, example financing, so we can give them, we can finance them so through their business. And of course so we also empowered the members, example farmers. So farmers, we empower them to become a businessman or woman. So from farming, so we help also the members or the farmers so to grow up, to empowered. So di lang sila palaging nagpa-farm dyan. Then of course so they have to level up to empowered. So from farmer to businessman.
So another question, sir. Can you discuss the governance structure of Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative? How are decisions made within the cooperative?
Okay, so actually Lamak APC, we have the organizational structure. So the highest body of the organizational structure is the members. So bali sila yung pinakamataas natin. Tinatawag natin yung representative assembly. So from the structure. So after that is our board of directors, then the management and staff.
Good morning, sir. I am Elvirace Mola. So, here are the next questions, sir. What initiatives or program does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative have in place to promote financial literacy and capacity building among its members?
Okay, so pardon. Okay, pagkakuan.
Again, sir. What initiatives or program does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative have in place to promote financial literacy and capacity building among its members?
Okay. So, Lamak also in PC, we have a lot of partners. So, we have the Land Bank Countryside Development Programs sa itatawag ng LCDFI. So, it's one of our partner in Lamak, yung foundation ng Land Bank. So, through Land Bank also, they help us give us a lot of trainings to the farmers. So one of their training they give us is the financial literacy training. So which we teach the members so to know how they budget their mga income nila, di ba? So yan, so a lot of trainings that we can give also to the members. So Lamak PC we provide also the trainings that they need. So in partnership also with the TISDA, so we can give them also skills training. So ano lang sa
Another question, sir. How does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative prioritize social responsibility and community engagement? Are there any notable projects or contributions the cooperative has made to the community?
Okay. So Lamak in PC, so we have also we divide into two. Also we have the Lamak Foundation and also the Lamak kanang Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative jud. So more of our mga community outreach, mga programs po namin para sa community. So, nandiyan na po yan sa mga Lamak Foundation. So, sila po yung nagpa-facilitate. So, whatever needs for the community. So, nandiyan ang naming Lamak Foundation.
Good morning, sir. I am Charles Osorio. So, here's the question, sir. How does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative ensure transparency and accountability in its financial operations? Are regular financial reports shared with members?
Yeah. So, totally Lamak MPC, so we are transparent to our members. So, that's why we have the so-called as the pre-annual assembly meeting and general assembly meeting. So, with that two meetings, so we bali pinapakita po namin yung mga accomplishment ng Lamak MPC. So yung mga projects din namin, so nandyan lahat sa aming natawag na pre-annual assembly meeting. So yung pre-annual assembly meeting, so ginagawa po namin yan once a year. It's only for intended for every branch na siya na meeting, yung natawag na pre-annual assembly meeting. Then yung general assembly meeting, it is attended by all the members of Lamak MPC. Yung mga representative assembly, yung pinakataas highest body of the structure. So nandyan po lahat. So dyan, makikita po lahat ng membro kung ano pong yung, as I have said, yung accomplishment po ng Lamak MPC. So we are transparent to all whatever we does. So kaya nakikita po namin sa lahat ng membro po ng Lamak.
Good morning, sir. I am James. As I listen to the previous question, sir, nakuhan ko nga dugoy na day ang Lamak. So, throughout the years nga nag-operate ang Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative, can you tell us the challenges or mga obstacle bito, sir, nga gi-face sa Lamak na o ginsa nila pag atubang to?
Okay. So, of course, mga challenges, so nandyan yan sa lahat ng kahit tao may mga challenges. So pati po sa kooperatiba, so we encounter so mga challenges, but this we consider as a minor challenges lang. So yung mga challenges po, of course we have to face it. So course, ano po natin yan, ma-recover po natin yung mga challenges po ng Lamak. So, there are also challenges, example, because Lamak, one of our flagship is the lending. So, one of our challenges, so yung example, yung drought ngayon. So, El Nino, so, a lot of our farmers, kasi nasabi ko kanina, 60% of our members farmers. So, a lot of our farmers affected sa when it comes to their livelihood, business, yung pagpananim. So, of course, we are also affected. This is one of our challenge kasi some of them hindi po sila makapagbayad ng kanilang mga loans kasi po sa problema po sa panahon. So, but we ginagawan po namin yan ng mga strategiya kung paano po natin matulungan yung mga farmers natin na yung mga nila, may mga problema sila ngayon. So, of course, this is one of our challenge. So, of course, yung mga calamities din, so basic na yun, di ba? Mga challenges. But as we encounter that, so we have also to counter part. We have to prevent the challenges. We have to also to ikaw na mo kining among gipanakamutan nga ma-recover kit siya.
So you help na members niya sir, mo assist niya sir. So regarding sir, dugay naman jud ang Lamak sir. So importante jud nga unity and cooperation sa mga members. So ang last question sir is, how does Lamak Multipurpose Cooperative foster a sense of unity and collaboration among its members?
Okay, so Lamak MPC, of course, as I have said, we are transparent. So if we are transparent, so of course, there is unity, di ba? So transparent ka, pinapakita mo yung lahat kung ano yung ginagawa ng Lamak MPC. So it comes to our operation. So if that thing, so imong i-share mo yan sa lahat ng mga membro. So of course, so walang problema yun, di ba? So nalaman kung anong ginagawa ng Lamak MPC. So financial or non-financial aspects. So if it is presented to the members, so andyan, so walang problema yan. So yung mga members, so of course, wala silang problema. So alam nila lahat kung ano yung ginagawa ng Lamak MPC. So this one is transparency also. It's very important.
Thank you sir.
Yeah, cool pic diba? Pero before we get that one, eto nangyari.
Sa
Ano to, Jin, pa-picture sa dito.
video to?
Wala,